Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's July 22nd. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. Off to a great week here. We got actually a pretty slow day today. We got no economic news scheduled for today. Excuse me, that was supposed to be removed. That was last Friday's numbers. Nothing scheduled for today. This week we do get a lot of or not jobs, but a lot of housing data being released this week. So be prepared for that. And of course, we still got the corporate earnings reports that are being released for Q2 of this year. So today, so far, the stock market is mixed. It actually started all in positive territory, and then just probably the last maybe in this morning, 15 minutes or so, the Dow just went into negative territory. But the rest of the market is up. Dow, S&P is barely up. It was like 1 or 2 points, but Nasdaq was up like around 30 so far this morning. Again, we got more corporate earnings reports coming out. The big news is basically, investors are keeping their eyes on China. There's been reports that out of China that Nugent and Lighthizer might be going over to Beijing perhaps this week for face-to-face meetings to kind of renew and rehash the talks after the G20 meetings. So the investors are watching that. They're obviously hoping that we can get this wrapped up sooner than later. And then oil prices had a little bit of a spike after Iran had captured a British flagged oil tanker and in the Strait of Hormuz. And so that's, of course, oil spiked up a little bit as a result. Let's take a look here at the bond market, how that's playing out. The bond market is up about 13, well, here it shows about 9 basis points, but since I did this clip, it jumped up to 13 basis points. So we're probably up here a little bit more. Currently, as the Dow went into negative territory, this went up slightly, a little bit higher here. So we're up about 13 basis points. I would say pricing is a little bit better today in terms of interest rates. So I think you'll see an improvement in our mortgage rates today so far, which is obviously a good sign for those who are in transactions, either for refinance or purchase. And we got a lot of room here to grow because the next one up is much higher at the 102.273, and that's approximately about another 30, 40 basis points. So that's almost a half a point in pricing, which could be another quarter better in interest rates. So here's the 10-year Treasury. We are still below the 25-day moving average. We're at the 203 level here. 2.03 level here, still just above this Fibonacci. We're trying to hopefully get this pushed down below so we can get a little less pressure on bonds and give bonds more of that freedom to jump upwards. But right now, we're just hanging between our 25 and day moving average and our Fibonacci level here, which is a pretty strong floor of support. As you can see, for a while they've been trying to break below it, but it doesn't seem to stay below it, and it keeps finding its way back up. But the 25-day moving average now, it could help us out a little bit there. All right, so that's pretty much a wrap. The rates are a little bit better today, which is, again, good news for those of us in the market. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance, please feel free to direct message me. I am a loan officer myself, or my company does all 50 states. We are home to the all-in-one loan as well as home funded through proprietary loan programs that are just for CMG, on top of doing jumbo loans, conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, and we also carry a lot of niche loans. We carry the loans specific for investors, real estate investors, to bank statement programs, which are fantastic for those who are self-employed, and we also got foreign national loans. So if you got questions or need some assistance, again, please feel free to direct message me. I'll be more than happy to talk with you and see how we can help you out. You have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.